Hello students, this is Divyanshi Shrivastava, your English teacher. Once again, I am here with the new lesson, The World in a Wall. This is one of the chapters from our textbook, that is New Voice. And the writer of this chapter is Jaren Duras. So this entire story, as it is being suggested by the name, that World in a Wall. Okay, this entire story is revolving around a scorpion and how the entire chaos is being made due to this presence of this particular scorpion in the house. So we'll be learning that what is the characters, what are the different characters, what is the different specification, how this very story is being narrated, what is the importance of the story. So let's continue. First of all, the characters. The first character is Jerry, then Larry, Lugerita, Licia, Margot and Mother. And one more important character is Roger, who was the dog. Now, The World in a Wall is a story about a boy who spots a scorpion on a wall near his home. Since he was tempted to take it but knew that his mother would not allow it, he placed the scorpion and the babies in a matchbox. In the home, he carefully placed the matchbox on the table and sat down for lunch. Now see, there is a boy, as you can see in the picture, that he is staring at the scorpion. So once a while, there was a scorpion that was crawling on the wall, and this boy was continuously staring and observing every movement. He was recording every movement that was made by the scorpion. And the scorpion, it was covered, the appearance of the scorpion was in such a way that as if it was carrying the fur-like coat on its hump, or you can say at the back. Why is it called the fur-like coat? Now, as you can see in the picture, the second picture where the scorpion is there and the babies are placed on the hump of the mother scorpion. The arrangement of these baby scorpions were in such a manner that it looked like a coat. It looked as if the coat was there, a coat was placed on the back, or you can say on the hump of the scorpion. And this boy, he was so much engrossed in looking at this very scorpion, and he was so much attracted and fascinated by the looks and the movement, how it was growing, how it was walking. Every movement, he was so much fascinated that he thought of storing this very scorpion into a matchbox, and he gets a matchbox and keeps the very scorpion along with the babies in that particular matchbox. And then after, he places that matchbox in the bedroom so that no one in the home could come to know this thing that he is carrying the scorpion. Now he got the scorpion into the bedroom in a very secret manner. He covered the entire matchbox, which he placed on the mantelpiece in the drawing box, because the mother, he knew this thing that if the mother comes to know that the scorpion is present in the house, she would turn blue and black. That means she would get very angry when she comes to know this thing. So this boy had to do this thing in a very secret manner. Then after what he did, that after bringing this very scorpion and after keeping it in the bedroom, he went out for the lunch, and he was dining with all other rest of the family members. And while he was dining with rest of the other family members, he all of a sudden forgot about the scorpion that he had placed on the table. That was completely out of his mind. He was so much engrossed in the talks, in the conversation that was going on the dining table, that he did not have any more idea, or his concentration did not drew at all towards the scorpion. Then what happens? This led to a chaos on dining table as the female scorpion tried to escape in her babies. Since Lugerita was the only stranger in the house, Roger, their dog, thought that she was responsible and bit her on the ankle. Now see, when this fellow, he forgot about the scorpion that he had kept on the table. After some time when he was dining, while the time he was dining, at that time only the scorpion, it eloped out of the matchbox. That means it came out of the matchbox. And once the scorpion along with the babies, she came out of that matchbox, it was spread all over the table. Entire table, only the scorpion was present. And when the other family members, they saw that scorpion was present over there, they got into the panic moment. They were too much into panic because the scorpion is not considered to be a very friendly animal. It is moreover very dangerous because it carries the poison. And when the dog, Roger, he saw that so much of chaos is being made, so ultimately his entire intentions were driven towards the Lugarita, who was one of the guests, or you can say one of the servants who was present at that particular time. Now why did this Roger, he bit the lady Lugarita? Because he had this thing in his mind that everyone who was sitting on the dining table belongs to that particular home, so they cannot conspire anything against that home. He was very unaware of the fact that the very boy has brought that very particular scorpion, and he was thinking that the main culprit is Lugarita. So just getting this illusion, just because he was in this illusion that Lugarita is the very fellow who is the culprit and who has got this very scorpion, when he got this initiative into it, he ran and just bit on her ankle. The author was made to round up the scorpion and leave them out of the house of God. The family tried retired to the drawing room, and the author and the Roger spent the afternoon in the hillside. Now, after all this chaos was created, after all this so much of commotion, then this boy thought that, okay, fine, it's so much of commotion, it's my own family members, they are getting so offended, they are not comfortable with this scorpion, so it's better for me to keep this scorpion away. And what he did, he carried that scorpion and he placed that scorpion out of that particular house. And at last, the boy, the one who was the author, and the dog Roger, they resided at the hillside, and rest of the family members lived very comfortably in their drawing room. So I hope students, this lesson is clear to you. If there is any doubt, you can drop your query and your questions in the comment section. Thank you.